Hi, my name is Edith Ray. I'm a holistic nutritionist with Radiant, and today I'm going to show you how to make Moroccan-inspired energy balls. These are wonderful little snacks that you can eat during the day, and they're made with only 2 whole ingredients: peanuts or any other nuts and dates. We're going to use 1 cup of peanuts. So this is about a minute of blending and you have the consistency of like peanut butter. So the second ingredient we're going to use are dates. So that's a desert fruit that in Morocco we eat every day, lots of them. And what's so wonderful about dates, they're of course very sweet, but it's a natural sugar, and dates are full of fiber. So that means when you eat a date, the sugar doesn't give you that blood sugar spike like if you eat a cookie with white sugar. So it's energy, but released very slowly, and that's what we want. So we don't have those sugar crashes. So I, of course, pitted the dates. You want to take the pits out first. And we're using, for 1 cup of peanuts, we use 1 cup of dates. We're going to throw those in a blender. So we have the 2 ingredients in the blender. Now we're going to blend up the peanuts and the dates together. And just because I like to, and you might like to add a little bit of flavors too, you can actually add to this anything you like. I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla. So just maybe a teaspoon of vanilla, and of course, as always, I'm going to add cinnamon. So I'm going to add cinnamon, and cinnamon, apart from being a wonderful flavor, is also helpful for blood sugar control. Okay, so this is the blended product, and now all we do is make little balls with it. And voila, we have these wonderful energy balls. You can of course also make bars out of it if you prefer that, or in any shape you want them. And these are so good that they disappear from my fridge suspiciously fast, as my 4 boys really love these. So here we are. And if you want to go really fancy, you could serve these in a beautiful Moroccan tagine, a cookware like this.